Welcome to this stunning townhome that's sure to take your breath away. Let's start our tour with a look at the exterior. As you can see, this modern beauty combines sleek, light-colored stucco with wood panel exteriors, creating a truly eye-catching facade. But wait, there's more. Check out this amazing east-facing deck. The views are absolutely incredible. You've got mountains, valleys, and city skylines all rolled into one panoramic vista. Imagine sipping your morning coffee out here. Now, let's step inside. Wow, right? This open concept living area is flooded with natural light thanks to those huge east-facing windows. The kitchen is a real showstopper. Look at those light wood cabinets stretching all the way to the ceiling. Talk about storage space. And check out the stainless steel appliances. They're all built in for that seamless look. Here's another angle of the kitchen and living area. See how those sliding glass doors lead right out to the deck? It's perfect for indoor-outdoor living. Let's take a peek at one of the bedrooms. These large windows offer more of those breathtaking views we saw earlier. You'll never get tired of waking up to this. This townhome gives you options. There are 2 bedrooms, plus a den that could easily become a 3rd bedroom if you need it. The developers even offered to install a door for you. Here's one of the 2 full bathrooms. It's got everything you need, including a glass-enclosed shower and plenty of storage in that vanity. Don't forget the in-unit laundry. It's right here in this hallway. No more trips to the laundromat for you. So to sum it up, you're getting 964 square feet of luxury living with 2 bedrooms, potentially 3, 2 full baths, and that amazing deck. Oh, and did I mention the rooftop solar panels? Your energy bills will thank you. The location is pretty sweet too. You're right near Knox Mountain with tons of biking and hiking trails nearby. Plus, you're close to shops, restaurants, and the beach. This place is priced at assessed value and ready for a quick move-in. So what do you say? Shall we make this your new home?